So I got the car back, and we are waiting for our wires to come in. But I've noticed that I'm getting a sound from the clutch. Let me see if I can demonstrate. So I'm going to press my clutch and start the car. Usually there's no noise. When I try to put it into first gear, there's no noise. Well, let me see if I can back it up from the garage. That noise right there. Of course, now we're dealing with the misfire as well. That noise right there. And you heard that noise. There's a so usually happens when I'm releasing the clutch on this one. I'm pressing the clutch now. This time there's no noise. In fact, my foot is on the clutch and I'm advancing. My foot is on the clutch. I'm releasing clutch, and now you hear the sound. The sound is gone. Second gear, no noise. It doesn't happen all the time, but I noticed this started making that noise when I got back the shop. Never had this noise before. So, what the hell is it?